welcome to my class. This is Rishma teacher here. Children, today we are going to do an activity. As on 21st June we are going to celebrate Father's Day. So children, being children, you all are very excited for this day and you all want to make it very special to your father. So children, this is how you can do it. Today we are going to do the activity of making a pencil stand holder for your father, and also you can present this to him as a token of your love. So children, without wasting much of time, let's get started. Children, please note down all these materials. You will be requiring all these materials, right? So we'll start. You take an empty bottle. For this, just cut the bottle with the cutter. With the help of the cutter, use your parents' help if you are small and you cannot do it. But do it very carefully. I don't want you to hurt yourself. Do it very nicely. If you need, you can trim it with the scissor as I did, because I didn't wanted the edges to be very sharp. You can take the help and you can just make the edges smooth by cutting it again with the scissor. Now all I am taking is another white paper. Here instead of white paper I am using a tissue paper. Apply glue all over the bottle. Spread it nicely, and so you will have no problem putting the white paper on the plastic bottle. Press it gently and roll the white paper over the bottle. Now as you did the white paper, you have to do the same with the orange color paper. Here I am using a orange color paper. You can use any colored paper. I had orange available at my house, so I have used orange. And don't cover the orange paper completely over the paper. Just leave little bit of the edges open and fold it as I did over here, as you can see in the picture, because we wanted to look like a collar. So just cover. You just have to glue it halfway, and halfway you have to just keep it without the glue, and the edges from the center you have to fold the center and it looks like a collar. Just tuck all the edges from the top inside in the bottle. It looks like this. Now you will need some few buttons, and you have to put the buttons on the top. Now we'll move on to tie. We need a bow, so we will cut. I am taking here a dark brown color. Just cut it, join the edges, it becomes a circle, and then you have to just again the halfway you have to make it look like a bow. Just put a little bit in the center and press it gently. You can see as I am doing, you have to follow the same instructions. Now you have to take any small round object. I have taken a button and just make a small circle there and cut it from the edges. Like it looks like a bow. See, like that, and then just mark the extra and you just cut it out. Now I just need a small circle. I am cutting out from the same color. See, a small circle, and just put it on top of the bow in the center. You can see, children, how I am doing. You have to do the same way. In the center you have to place this small circle again, so it looks very clean, neat, and it looks like a bow. You have to put the bow all along the where we have put that, where we have turned the edges. It looks like a bow. See here, children, our pencil stand is ready, and so you can present this to your father on the Father's Day. So children, please do this activity. Thank you. Have a nice day.